practice English speaking.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Speaking. Today's episode is super useful.
Yeah, because today we're talking about your daily routine in English using the simple present tense.
If you want to talk about your day confidently, stay right here. Hi friends, I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Thanks for joining us again. Grab your tea, your coffee, or whatever keeps you awake.
Today, we're going to walk you through a fun, easy daily routine conversation. Simple English, simple present tense, B1 friendly. Just real-life English you can use today.
Exactly. You can listen, repeat, and even answer our questions as you learn.
So, Jake, let's start simple. Tell me, what's the first thing you do every day?
Okay, here we go. I wake up at around 7 a.m. That's the first step of my daily routine.
And see, listeners, I wake up is simple present tense. It means this is something you do every day.
Exactly. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, but your regular routine.
Okay, continue, Jake. What happens after you wake up?
I stretch, I check my phone, maybe too much, and then I get out of bed.
The classic morning routine. Do you drink water in the morning?
Oh yes, I drink a big glass of water every morning. I try to be healthy, sometimes.
Same here. I wake up, I sit in bed, and I drink water. It helps me start the day. Listeners, repeat with us. I wake up. I drink water. I start my day.
Let's move to breakfast. What do you usually eat, Anna?
Simple. I eat toast and I drink coffee. If I'm hungry, I eat eggs.
Nice. I usually eat oatmeal, and I drink tea, not coffee.
What? Jake, how can you survive without coffee?
Skill, experience, strong heart.
Okay, listeners, here are useful daily routine verbs. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I get ready. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat after us. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth.
So after breakfast, what do you do?
I take a shower. I get dressed. And then I go to work.
You see? All simple present tense. Every day, same routine.
Listeners, if you want to talk about your job, you can say, I go to work at 9. I start work at 10. I finish work at 6.
If you study, you can say, I go to school, or I go to class.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Daily routine English is easy.
Okay, Anna, what do you do at work?
I teach English. I record podcasts. I write notes. I talk with students. And I drink more coffee.
Surprise, surprise.
What about you, Jake?
At work, I write scripts, I edit videos, and I answer emails. Pretty normal stuff.
Anna, notice how Jake uses simple present tense. I write. I edit. I answer.
Exactly. These are actions I do regularly. They are part of my daily life.
Okay, quick teaching time.
Yes. Simple present tense is used for daily routines, habits, facts, things that are always true.
Structure, easy. Subject plus base verb. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I work.
For he, she, it, add S. He wakes up. She eats breakfast. It rains.
That's all you need to sound natural when talking about your day.
Okay, Anna, what do you do around midday?
At midday, I eat lunch. I usually eat something simple. Salad, pasta, or a sandwich. What about you?
I eat lunch around 2 p.m. I usually eat rice and chicken. Simple. Comfort food.
Do you go out for lunch or eat at home?
I usually eat at home. If I go out, I usually buy a sandwich.
Listeners, here are phrases you can use. I eat lunch at 1. I eat at home. I go out with my friends.
So Anna, what do you do in the afternoon?
I continue working. I check messages, I record lessons, and I plan tomorrow's work. At around 4 p.m., I take a small break.
What do you do during your break?
I stretch, I drink tea, and sometimes I go for a short walk.
Nice. I also take a break. I usually check social media or I watch a funny video. It helps my brain wake up again.
Listeners, useful phrases. I take a break. I check my phone. I go for a walk.
Okay, now my favorite part, the evening.
Oh, same. Evenings feel so peaceful.
So what do you do after work?
I go home, I relax, and I cook dinner. Sometimes I watch a show.
What kind of shows?
Romantic comedies. I love cheesy love stories.
I'm more to documentaries. I watch one episode every night.
Listeners, use these phrases to talk about evenings. I relax. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I spend time with my family.
Actually, Anna, last night I did something different.
Oh? Tell me.
I cooked. Real cooking. Not noodles, not sandwiches, real food.
Wow, hold on. I need a moment to believe this.
Hey, I can cook sometimes.
What did you make?
Chicken curry? I mean, it was kind of curry. A curry attempt.
How did it taste?
Let's say I ate it, but I didn't enjoy it.
Listeners, when you talk about cooking, you can say, I cook dinner, I try new recipes, I make simple food. Okay, let's move to night routines. How do you end your day, Anna?
I read. I like reading at night. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and I go to bed around 11.
Nice. I end my day by listening to music. Soft, calm music. Then I go to bed at around midnight.
Listeners, repeat these. I go to bed at 11. I read at night. I listen to music.
Okay, friends listening on Practice English Speaking, now it's your turn.
Answer these questions out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do after work?
Practice speaking. That's how your English improves.
And remember, daily routines are a great way to practice the simple present tense.
All right, quick summary before we say goodbye.
Today, we talked about your daily routine in English. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, work routine, lunch, evening activities, night routine.
We also practiced simple present tense. I wake up. I eat. I work. I watch TV. I go to bed.
Here's your homework, your speaking challenge. After this episode, record yourself talking about your daily routine in English. Keep it simple. Use the simple present tense. Use short sentences.
And of course, listen again on Practice English Speaking whenever you want more practice.
Thank you for listening today. We loved talking about daily routines with you.
Remember, practice a little every day and you'll improve fast.
Take care, friends.
See you in the next episode.